Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is sacrifice. So, sacrifice in the Christian faith refers so firmly to Christ then on the cross where He paid and penalty our sins deserve. This was not a symbolic gesture, but a real substitutionary atonement. Jesus bore the wrath of God in our place, satisfying divine justice and making reconciliations possible. Christ's offering that perfectly accomplished what Old Testament sacrifices could only foreshadow. It demonstrates God's holiness and punishment, sin, His love in providing a substitute, and His grace in freely offering salvations to all who believe. So, ayon po sa 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 24, He Himself bore our sins in His body on the cross, so that we might die to sin and live for righteousness. By His wounds, you have been healed. Ayon po sa ating katuruan, sinasabi po ito na substitutions is sin bearing. So, ibig sabihin, si Jesus ang pumalit sa atin. Dapat tayo ang magbabayad ng parusa dahil sa kasalanan, pero siya ang nagdala ng bigat at consequence ng ating sins. For example is, para kang may malaking utang na hindi mo kayang bayaran, pero may isang taong tumayo para bayaran ito para sa iyo. Next is satisfaction. Christ's suffering satisfies justice. So, ang Diyos ay makaturungan at ang kasalanan ay kailangan may kabayaran. So, ang paghihirap ni Jesus sa cross ay tumugon sa hustisya ng Diyos. Kaya hindi unfair si God kasi ang penalty ay fully paid. Next is sufficiency. Christ's sacrifice to complete. So, hindi bitin o kulang ang ginawa ni Jesus. Perfect once and of all. Hindi na kailangan dagdagan ng good works para maligtas. So, ang kaligtasan ay buo na sa pamamagitan ng kanyang sakripisyo. And then, sa applications, begin with grace, continue by grace, and break free from guilt and shame. Lastly, behave like Jesus in humility and sacrifice. And I love, maraming salamat.